Morning, Hoover Math and Science Academy students and staff. Hi, this is Alexis coming to you live from the WHVI studio. Today is Friday, February 7th, 2020. The weather today in Schaumburg will be 36 degrees with partly cloudy skies. Now please stand and join us in saying our nation's pledge.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
In sports, the Bulls lost last night against the Pelicans with a score of 119 to 125. Today's announcements are: don't forget, today is Zero Waste Lunch. Today is Valentine's Treat Day. Make sure you have your permission slip. Now a message from Miss Rosenblum.
Good morning, Hoover Math and Science Academy staff and students. Happy Friday. I've really missed you this week. I love being on the broadcast and I love being in classrooms. And unfortunately this week my daughter wasn't feeling well, so I did need to stay home. And actually I wanted to stay home to be able to take care of her. So she's back at school today and so am I. It is my pleasure to introduce our champions and our Smetzel winners this week. Congratulations to Drewby. You've been working so hard and staying focused in math. I love seeing you raise your hand and share your thinking. Mrs. Budney. Izzy, you are always having meaningful math discussions during turn and talks. You're becoming a better mathematician every day. Miss Smith. And Will, thank you for being such a rock star during Lit Excel. I've noticed such great work from you this year. Keep it up, Mrs. Franz. All right, I have more Smetzel winners. After announcements, please wait till we're completely done. Come down to the office to claim your Smetzel and be a part of our dance party. Congratulations to Radu from room 105, Ariana from 120, Arav from 111, Prokopi from 106, Alex from 204, Brandon and Max from 205, Phoenix from 207, Will from 205, Ella and Drewby from 119, Williams from 117, Brendan from 120, Keenan and Mariah from 213, Aaron from 112, Izzy from 115, Nora from 108, Micah from 101, Daniel and Maddie from 105, Teas and Alex from 114, ooh, and Mitsuki from 114, Mrs. Lutz, Sang from 210, Mrs. Foy, Micah from 101, Mrs. Majorano, Mrs. Budney, Will D from 207, Mrs. Foy, Brianna from 102, and Eric from 102, Jack from 110, Maggie from 107, Nisa from 110, Amanda from 108, Ion from 110, and Ocean from 107. Congratulations to all of our Smetzel winners. All right, it's Friday, so we get to do our Hoover School song together. Come on in. Come on in, really close, really close. Come right up front, guys. Come right here. There you go. Good job. Come a little closer. Up, up with Hoover. They love us wherever we go. Up, up with Hoover. It's the greatest school we know. We work together, we learn together. We're tops in every way. We know that our school is the best school. Hoover, Hoover, hooray. We know that our school is the best school. Hoover, Hoover, hooray. Hooray! All right, Hoover, let's be champions together.
Thank you. Thank you, Mrs. Rosenblum. This week's announcements were brought to you by the Big Mac scientists. Have a tag your friend at recess Friday.